So these are the 5 keys you must know in order to do high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what you need to do in order to make high ticket sales today. So if you're brand new around here, my name is Pilar Newman and I am your OG affiliate marketer. I've been doing this for many years, and on this channel, I share with you all of my tips and best strategies for how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that follow button. All right, so that we're on the same page here, let's talk about what a high ticket affiliate commission is, because this can be something that is a high ticket recurring commission, or this can be a one-time high ticket sale. So here's an example of a high ticket recurring affiliate commission. So for instance, let's say you are affiliating for a software company and that company charges customers $297 per month for them to use their tool. Now, as an affiliate, you earn a 40% recurring affiliate commission. So that nets you $118 with 80 cents each and every month. Now, over the course of a year, that can add up to over $1,400. So that's a high ticket recurring affiliate commission. Now, on the other hand, you can make a one-time high ticket sale. Now that generally is in the vicinity of $500 to $2,500. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's go over these 5 keys that you need in order to dominate high ticket affiliate marketing. Key number 1 is to increase your level of expertise. Now, what I mean by that is if you exhibit a high level of expertise in your field or your niche or your topic, then you are going to speak with increased confidence. Now, people gravitate towards confident people because you come off as a leader, you come off as authoritative in your field, and that is something that you need in order to make high ticket affiliate marketing sales. Now, if you increase your knowledge by only 1% each day and you compound that over the course of a year, then you will be 3,800% more knowledgeable in that topic or in that area than you were at the beginning of the year. This tiny daily improvement will turn any novice into a bona fide expert in a short period of time. Now, just imagine what would happen if you increased your level of knowledge by 2% each day. Make sure you don't skip this, because when you become an authoritative figure in your field, then you will be able to make a lot more high ticket affiliate sales because people are simply going to trust your recommendations. Why not? You're the expert. Key number 2 is to zero in on your niche audience. Everyone is not your customer. When you focus on a smaller segment of a larger audience, you'll avoid a common beginner mistake of having a broad message that attracts the wrong prospects. For instance, an affiliate marketer looking to sell a make money online lifestyle will attract everyone but speak to no one. Now, this messaging is so vague that it's going to be so difficult for you to make a high ticket affiliate sale. Whereas a high ticket affiliate marketer looking to sell a course on how to make money online with Amazon FBA will attract a very specific audience, people interested in selling on Amazon. By targeting a very specific group of people, you're going to be able to craft a better message that speaks directly to the needs and the wants of your niche audience. Now, as your high ticket affiliate marketing business begins to expand, you can go ahead and expand outside of your niche. But when you're first starting out as a beginner, you do want to make sure that you're speaking directly to a targeted audience. Key number 3 is to purchase the high ticket affiliate product that you plan to promote. Now, it is well known that if you purchase high ticket products, then you will also be able to attract high ticket buyers. Now, there's a very simple reason for this. An affiliate who doesn't purchase the high ticket product that they're promoting, they'll only be able to speak on the features of that product. But on the other hand, if you purchase that product, then you are going to know intimate details about that product. You'll also be able to share a personal story about how that product has helped you in your business, in your life, or whatever that might be. And that is something that sells. Your story will do a better job at selling than just talking about the features of that product. Key number 4 is to increase the value of the affiliate product that you're promoting. Now, you're not the only one promoting this high ticket product. So how do you set yourself apart from other affiliates out there? It all comes down to which affiliate can present the better perceived value in the eyes of the consumer. So let's just say affiliate A is promoting a protein supplement monthly subscription plan. Now, that plan costs $60 per month. But now let's say affiliate B is promoting the same exact thing, but they've also included a free 30-day workout plan and a free recipe ebook. Now, who do you think has the better perceived value in the eyes of the consumer? Now, at the end of the day, the affiliate that has the better perceived value is the one who's going to make the high ticket affiliate sale. Now, key number 5, I would argue, is one of the most important ones on this list, and that is to have an automated high ticket affiliate marketing system. Now, this is going to help you take cold prospects and turn them into warm leads and then turn them into buying customers. Now, this is exactly what you want. A sales funnel is going to funnel them through the purchasing process and it's going to turn them into customers. If you need help with this, let me know with your questions down below in the comments. I'm glad to help you out. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you save it, like it, and reshare it. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.